Hi, everybody. I'm M. Subbalakshmi, and basically, I'm an assistant professor by profession. Today, I'm going to start my new education channel in English. Already, I have an education channel in Tamil, and as Tamil is my native and basic language, I have two things to start this channel. One is always being a teacher, always learning and teaching people. The second important thought in starting uh, another channel, same education channel, is I felt when I go rural and teach rural, my English communication is going low. So I don't want to give up. I want to continue my English communication with the same pace. So if I already have a channel in bilingual, if I start a channel in English so that I can converse more or teach more in English so that I don't lose my teaching communicational English, right? So, this is the basic purpose, and I have planned to teach more about acts and in between other subjects related as I belongs to a commerce stream. I could like to share many subject related videos as well. Basically, it's about acts and other legal terms. So let's see how I'm going to grow in this channel with all your support. Thank you. As I started my channel on a post International Women's Day, and this is going to be my first topic, that is the Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act 1986. What the act says and what is going to be the reality in the country. The initial idea of framing this act or law is to prohibit indecent representation of women through films, web series, advertisements, or in publications, writing, paintings, or in any other manner. But the biggest problem in our country is that always all the rules and regulations or acts or everything is in papers. We face many difficulties in executing not only the Indecent Representation of Women's Act, but also many other rules, acts, laws to be get executed. If any OTT platforms present women as a sexual object or nudity or obscenity towards women issues, then it could be a punishable offense. Then they lead to banning of series or OTT platforms. And below is one of the picture of a film poster which was banned earlier because of such a indecent representation of women. Though I have a doubt or suddenly something gets into my mind whether I can use this banner as it was a prohibited banner. Can I use this? The law permits. The law says that if it is for a purpose of creating awareness or some other thing, the law can be used or these pictures can be used. There was a picture, a woman feeding a baby or an infant. That picture is authorized by government to enhance breastfeeding or motivate the women to breastfeed. So in that case, if the picture is creating an awareness and the willingness of the women also speaks a lot in the law. Section 4 of this act explains that there is some exceptions. What are these exceptions? There is two pictures. One represent the breast cancer awareness and other a breastfeeding mother. So in this case, the law says that if it is going for a higher purpose or creating awareness, religious aspects, or it's for a public good, this kind of picture cannot be considered as indecent pictures of a women or indecent representation of a women. And here the problem arises in some cases where these are misleaded and misoperated by some people and against the other people. In many cases, This is a very big problem in the country. The law is not treated in the actual way it should be treated or it should be taken in many cases. Even the law says that there is even nudity. Nudity is not automatically can be considered as a indecent representation of women. Even if a woman is shown nude, it cannot be considered as automatically considered as indecent representation if it serves a higher purpose or artistic work. And these are the laws regarding this prohibition. And the very big problem in the country is that many people may not be knowing that the picture cannot be treated like this, and they don't show or rise up against such kind of a thing. Many harassments, or many small harassments, small indecent representations of a woman is always considered just leave, that's all. Even I had in my teenagers, when I face small harassments, they used to say it's just like somebody's pushing you in a bus. Just treat like that and move on. Don't fight for this. This is how a woman is grown up or women is brought up in the country in many cases. So this should be stopped. Women or men, even men. I don't want to say women are harassed a lot. Nowadays, I'm hearing that as being an assistant professor, I'm hearing that many men students or men gender, male gender is getting harassed. So anybody for that matter, even we should not allow small harassments other than that it's going to be a love and affection. We have to rise up and we have to stand up. I could like to conclude my video with a small saying that all the laws can be executed only by the people. Policymakers and stakeholders can only frame the laws or safeguard the people, saying that we have created this law, we have created this law. But the law can be used and executed only by the people. And our country is a democratic country. It's for the people, by the people, and of the people. And we have the right and we have to implement the laws. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe. I get motivated and share and increase my views so that I get motivated and post more about these laws acts in this channel. And this is my first video, and I will proceed with all these laws in the future videos. Thank you.